I've been baking since I was 7 years old, and my great aunt, she gave me her pound cake recipe, and ever since then, I just fell in love in the kitchen. Baking at home is like my safe space, and I just wanted to like expand my baking experience. I wanted to make pastries and like more like complex stuff.
At EVIT, students don't just learn recipes. They build confidence, skills, and a future.
Very busy, always in the kitchen, cleaning dishes, doing production for the cafe or for banquets and different orders. And I feel like I'm a better baker now because I've been here for 2 years and I got like more experience under my belt and I'm professional now.
But becoming professional wasn't just about baking skills. It was also about finding confidence and finding her people.
I don't know why, I was just so shy before. Like I did not want to talk to nobody, but now I'm like, if I have a question, I'm not afraid to ask it anymore. Like we do not struggle alone. We're together and we make sure we help each other out.
At EVIT, that sense of support doesn't just build community. It builds belief in what students can do and who they're becoming.
I picture myself in culinary school, maybe owning my own bakery someday called Serenity Snack Shack.
And Serenity's advice for anyone thinking about joining the baking program is simple.
Go for it. Please do, because you will not regret it. I don't. It was the best decision I've ever made. And I love it. It's so joyful here.